I'm Darlene, and welcome back to Super at 60. Today we're heading into Aldi to do just a little bit of shopping. I don't have a whole lot of things on my list, but there are a few things here and there that, you just have to keep up with it. So I'm putting my 25 cents in here, and we are going to just get started, hop right into the store. I'll be seeing you right inside. Look at these beautiful cookies. Yes, very, very pretty. Kind of expensive. Don't make these, guys. I'm going to show you how to make these, and they're going to be even better. All right, this is what I love looking for at Aldi. I love it. $2 off. That's a big deal. That takes a $4 bag of buns down to $2. I don't need any, but if you needed them, I'd pick them up for you. I'm going to pick one of these up. These are absolutely delicious. If you've ever tried the kombucha, the ginger, it's so good. There's also a berry back in there. There's a berry. I haven't tried that, but I think I'll try that next time. Right on the end here, I noticed some really good sales right here. $1.99 for some blueberries, and they look wonderful. Right next door to it, $2.99 for some wonderful, I think these are Fuji apples. And then at the very end here for $1.89, these beautiful, beautiful green peppers. I use all three of those almost daily in our house. And here I'm just going to pick up some celery. I use those. You always see me chopping celery. Here's some lunch meat for my husband. He loves that chicken, and it's a pretty good deal here. All right, in my humble opinion, this pizza dough is just about the worst I have ever purchased. Just walk on by, guys. Make your own. Very sweet. Cute packaging. All right, I'm not going to buy this today, but I'm telling you, that looks like it could possibly be very delicious. You might want to try picking that up. Now I'm tempted. All right, I'm going to grab some light brown organic brown sugar. I love to use brown sugar. Sometimes I'll switch out a recipe from white sugar just to brown sugar. It just tastes better. And here we have some flaxseed oil. I'm purchasing this because I'm going to throw it into my morning smoothies with blueberries and frozen strawberries and yogurt and honey. It is so delicious. These chocolates are just about the best you can buy anywhere. I always try to keep at least 2 packages on hand in my pantry. They go into muffins, they go into cookies, they go into pancakes. They are delicious. All right, let's grab some of these freezer bags. I'm seeming to always run out of these. That should help for a little bit. Oh, these pretty blankets have come down from $20 to $9.99. They're beautiful. I love that pink, and they're so soft. Very pretty, and that blue. Oh, very, very pretty. All right, I'm going to pick my mom up a sweet Valentine card. That's so pretty. See what it says inside before I buy it, because you never know. Oh, she'll love that. Beautiful. This cavatelli is one of Lou's favorite types of pastas, and with Valentine's Day coming up, I have a special dinner plan. All right, these are delicious. Make a really nice snack. Well, let's see. Maybe next time. I don't think I have room in my freezer. All right, these are delicious in the morning. I know they're expensive. They've really gone up. But they are so good in the morning with a couple eggs. Very, very delicious. I always like to keep some frozen peas in the house. They are so good in cream sauces, and particularly in my chicken pot pie. Love frozen peas. I'm getting some heavy whipping cream here. Good for just about everything. All right, right, definitely needs some sour cream. We've been without it for a while, so we'll get some. All right, Aldi's butter is $3.87 per pound. I just bought those Lidl butters that you just saw in one of the other videos for what was it, $1.89, I think? Come on, Aldi, come on. These delicious organic trail mixes are so delicious. They have all different kinds of flavors and tastes in them, but these are just wonderful to keep in the house. Just grab a little handful. Have you guys tried the Rails? Have you tried it? Is it really worth that? Yeah, I don't know. I'm always so tempted, but I don't know. Let me know down in the comments if you've tried this. I always like to keep boxes of things like this on hand. You can use shrimp, chicken, sausage, anything, and you can create a wonderful meal in just minutes flat. Okay, here they are. I have been looking for these. I have been hearing rumblings about this lava cake and how delicious they are. It's like 30 seconds in the microwave or something. Let's see. I don't know where it is. All right, let's get these guys. We're gonna give it a try. Now these Danish have been hanging around Aldi for quite some time. I've just kind of been watching them. Not that I want them, but I'm just so curious. These are Christmas Danish in Christmas packaging, and they are still the original Christmas price. I don't know when they're going to ever mark them down, and there are boxes behind me. Here I'm picking up another extra package of cake mix because I used one last week, and I'm just kind of refilling my my pantry. These wonderful breakfasts, I love these in the morning. The pumpkin is particularly good, and the coconut chia, also delicious, but I always like to go for the pumpkin chia. They're so delicious. And right next door, I'm always grabbing some granola. I love granola. I like it with milk in the morning, but I particularly like it just as a snack. Sometimes I'll just open the bag and, just put some in a little baggie and take it with me sometimes, even if I have to leave the house. This chocolate sea salt, oh, do yourself a favor and pick yourself up some for a wonderful, wonderful little treat. All right, well, it is always good to be home. Look at this, just 2 bags from Aldi. Didn't have to get too much today, but let's get going on those lava cakes. I can't wait. All right, well, it is the next day. We didn't get to the lava cakes last night. We had a bunch of stuff going on. And but this morning, yes, the first thing off this morning, I started myself with one of my delicious, healthy, fruity smoothies, and I'm gonna show it to you right now. And then after that, I'll come back and we'll do those lava cakes, I promise. And we're just gonna see, if they're all they're cracked up to be. All right, add about 4 to 5 ice cubes to your mixing blender container. Then add a good handful of nice, I like to use frozen strawberries. I just think they just whip up so nice in a smoothie. And just go ahead and throw in a handful of fresh blueberries as well. If you have frozen, you can use those. And some yogurt. You can use vanilla flavored yogurt, Greek yogurt, regular yogurt. I just have regular old yogurt here. And pour in some orange juice, just a little bit of orange juice. The full recipe will always be below, like always. A little bit of milk, a splash of heavy cream. Now this is optional, but oh boy, nice and creamy. Oh, it really is a special addition to your smoothie. Add some vanilla. This is my own homemade vanilla here. About a tablespoon of raw honey. If you can get some raw honey, you get all the health benefits from it. And here I'm gonna add in some milled flaxseed. I picked this up at Aldi yesterday. And I'm gonna see how this tastes, if it tastes at all. Maybe it has no taste at all in my smoothie, but we're gonna give it a try this morning. Blend it till really well, till there's no ice cubes or frozen fruit slamming up against the sides of your container in the blender. Well, there's plastic like mine, or if you have a glass one, just be listening for that. That's when you know your smoothies are done. I always like to top mine with a little bit of whipped cream and a straw, and you are good to go. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and open up the package. Let's see what we got in here. Oh, those are they're cute. Look at that. And they're nice and cold. They're cute, okay. And they're probably just about the right size. You know, after you have a big dinner. You are gonna have a big dinner, aren't you? You're gonna make a nice dinner? Yeah, please do. I'm gonna show you. Hang in there with me, I got another video coming. All right, and it comes out like this, out of the package, just like that. There we go. And you're supposed to take this brown wrapping off. So we'll go ahead and we'll do that. We're gonna do this all together. Okay. And then I have this cute little dish here. I'm just gonna put it right in here because it is going in the microwave. So make sure that is a microwave safe dish. Go ahead and unwrap the other one here. Oh, I hope you're good. I hope you're good. All right, okay, let's see if we can find the directions here. Okay, remove package paper cup, place lava on a plate in the microwave. Heat for 30 seconds at full power. Let's stand for 1 minute, and that's it. You got 30 seconds? Let's get this done. All right, it is done. It was 30 seconds. And it says to, ooh, wow. That's nice and melted on top. It says to let it sit for about 1 minute, so that's what we'll do. All right, it has been a minute. Look at that. It is really, really pretty. It's glossy on top. All right, what I want to do is kind of do like a pie cut in there and see if that lava comes running through. Now, it looks like it's just melty stuff on top, but let's just see. Let's see what happens. All right, ready for lava? I am. Oh, it's beautiful. It's so dark, my goodness. Oh, the chocolate. Oh my gosh. Look at that. It's just running down the plate, running off the fork here. That looks incredible. All right, I'm gonna taste it. I am. I haven't tasted it in a long time, but I just gotta taste this. Look at that chocolate. It looks good. I have to tell you, on looks, I would have to give it a 10, and look at that. I love it. All over my counter. That's half of the good stuff down there. But that's okay. That just means that that is very lava-y. Yes, it does. All right, I'm gonna get just a smaller little piece. Just like that. Okay. I told you I was going to be very honest, and I always am. All right, first of all, if you have no plans for Valentine's Day, but you want a little something special, it's okay. If you want something really special, chocolatey, you know, if you just have to have that chocolate thing for Valentine's Day, it's okay. But if you're having special people over, like company, husband, boyfriend, girlfriend, wife, you know what, guys? I gotta tell you, this is absolutely thumbs up delicious. It is so good. I give it a 10. If you see this at your Aldi, I want you to pick one up. If you have nothing planned for Valentine's dinner, this is a winner. Look at that. Oh, just look at that chocolate just dripping out of there. It is just, it's stunning. It's so good. It's rich. But you know how sometimes some chocolate can be so chocolatey that it's just not good. It's too much. It's too rich. Well, that is almost there, but not quite. It is so good. I think if you put just a little dab of whipped cream or served it with a little bit of ice cream, vanilla ice cream, that would be perfect. That would calm that chocolate down a little bit. It's a winner. It is so good. I am so glad I went to Aldi. I am so glad that I checked this out, and I am so glad that I was able to make this video for you. 30 seconds. You've got 30 seconds and about $3.50. Was it like $3.50, something around there? And you and someone you love, or eat them both if you want. I don't care. I'm not going to watch. We're not going to tell anybody. Eat them both. Yes, it's delicious. Guys, I am so grateful that you were here with me today. I will see you very soon. I have a very special Valentine's video coming up. I'm going to show you something that's kind of special to me every Valentine's Day that I love to make. And I will see you all very, very soon. So thanks for being here. Bye now. And Lord bless. Get you some of these. They're so darn good. Thumbs up.